What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to open Google Sheet or spreadsheet in your computer. If you have a Google Chrome browser, then it will be very easier for you. First of all, here you can see dot menu, Google Apps. As you can see, first of all click on this menu and then scroll down to find out Sheet menu. Click to Sheets. It's an option, and another option is go to search bar and type for Google Sheet, or you can also type for docs.google.com/spreadsheets and enter. And also you can bookmark this so that to open very quickly. For that, click on here and click to add page and then click to save. Here you can see here is an option about Google Sheet. Just click here to open your Google Sheet very quickly. That's it. I think this was very helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.